Hello and welcome to the Moodle training sessions. Through the course of this training session, I'll show you how you can set up an assignment for your students to submit or upload a file to you for grading. Firstly, let's log in to the system using a username and password. Then browse through the course categories and select your particular course. Once you reach your course home page, you'll firstly need to turn editing on. Next, you will need to browse through the outline and select a particular week or topic where you'd like to add this assignment. Let's say I want to add this particular assignment to the week of 25th August to 31st August. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide my students with a particular text file which contains the questions for this particular assignment. Let's assume it's one of the midterms or a weekly test. So I would firstly add a resource and select link to a file or website. I would name it assignment 1, and summary would be students, please read the questions in the text file and answer your questions answer your questions. Now in the link to a file category, I can select the text file which contains the questions and have it available to them. So I'd click on choose upload a file and my file database would load up. I have an assignment 1 text file right there which I'd uploaded beforehand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the choose button corresponding to that particular file. So that file has been attached now, and as usual I would always click on the force download button, which will make it easier for the students to download the file on their end. Then I would click on the save and return to course button. So now if you browse down to that particular week, you'll see that that assignment 1 has been attached to that particular week. Now I need to create a place for the students to upload their assignment. Therefore, what I'm going to do is add an activity under this assignment, and I would select upload a single file as the activity or assignment. The assignment name would be assignment 1 submission, which makes it easier for the students to understand that on their end. And description would be please attach your assignment 1 text file here. I can select the grade from the drop down list, or if I don't want any grade or the highest grade selected for this assignment, I can select no grade from the drop down list. I can have the availability open for this assignment between a particular week or for a particular time period, or I could disable these options. I can prevent late submissions if I wanted to, and those options are available to you in the drop down list. But I would always suggest having the email alerts selected as yes, because this would help you keep track of who submitted the assignments and when they submitted it, and you keep getting updates via email whenever somebody submits an assignment. Then I'll click on save and return to course button, and as you can see, if I browse down to the particular week in the outline, I have the assignment 1 for them to download onto their computers and complete, and I have a submission set up for them to upload the assignment back to me for grading. Now if you want to check this on the student's end, you can switch role to a student, and you can see that I have the assignment 1 which is available to me for download onto my computer. I can save it to my computer, answer all the questions in the text file, save the text file, and then I would come back in to the system and click on assignment 1 submission and select the file from my computer and submit it for grading. Therefore, you can create this kind of assignment throughout the weekly outlines and have students upload files for grading. This concludes our training session.